Businesswoman shot dead and son injured in St. James gun attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A businesswoman was shot dead and her son injured at their business establishment in Great River District, St. James. The deceased has been identified as 52-year-old Rose Christian of Woodland District, Hanover. Reports are that at around 2 p.m., three men armed with handguns alighted from a silver Toyota motor car and entered the restaurant that was operated by Christian and a member of her family. The gunmen opened fire, hitting the mother and her son, who were both rushed to hospital where the mother succumbed to her injuries and her son treated for gunshot wounds. The St. James police are investigating the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.